Dear friends, now we will learn what is singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be singular if its det is 0. We know how to find det of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. Det of 2 by 2 formula AD minus BC. AD 4 minus BC, 4 ones are 4. How much? 0. If determinant of a matrix is 0, the matrix is called singular matrix. Which means it can be a 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix or 2 by 2 matrix, irrespective of the square matrix order. A square matrix is called singular if its determinant is 0. Since the determinant of this is 0, the matrix A is called singular matrix. Likewise, what is a non-singular matrix? Non-singular matrix. A square matrix is said to be non-singular if its det is non-zero. If det is 0, singular. If det is non-zero, non-singular matrix. Example. What is the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix? AD 4 minus BC, 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2 not equal to 0. Det is not equal to 0, so this matrix is called non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrices or singular matrices must be square matrices. It can be 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. If determinant is not equal to 0, that matrix is called non-singular matrix. We see one more definition. Invertible matrix. A square matrix, capital A, there is a square matrix, capital A. A is said to be invertible if there is a matrix B such that AB equal to BA equal to I. The matrix is called invertible matrix, which means a matrix capital A, I want to call this as invertible. To call this matrix as invertible, it is to be multiplied with one more matrix. It must be multiplied with one more matrix A, B. You have to get result identity matrix. You have to get result identity matrix AB. equal to I. Also BA equal to I. And is denoted as A inverse equal to B. A inverse equal to B. Or if A inverse is B, then B inverse is A. Vice versa. Inverse of A is B, then inverse of B is A. In such case, we call A, B are invertible. Invertible. For example, I want to call A is invertible. A is invertible. I need to multiply with the matrix. With a matrix. I want to multiply with a matrix. And as a result, I have to get identity matrix. As a result, I have to get identity matrix. If I multiply with the B matrix, if I get result as I, then we say A is invertible and is denoted as A inverse equal to B. A inverse equal to B. అంటే ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని ఇన్వర్టిబుల్ అని పిలవాలి అంటే ఆ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ని వేరొక మ్యాట్రిక్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రావాలి. ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రావాలి. అలా ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయితే బి ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు ఏని ఇన్వర్టిబుల్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అని అంటారు. మరి బి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఏకి ఇన్వర్స్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అంటే ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఐ వస్తుంది. Two questions here. How to find A inverse? Second question. What matrix is to be multiplied to A to get identity matrix? Right. To find A inverse, we have to use the formula adjoint A by det A. Adjoint A by det A means to find the matrix B, you have to make use of the formula adjoint A by det A. If these two are multiplied, this is B. This is B. A into B equal to I. So, A is called invertible and its inverse is adjoint A by det A. అంటే ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి అన్నప్పుడు ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి? adjoint A by det A అని యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తే ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఏకి ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేయాలో తెలుస్తుంది. ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? బి అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఎలా వస్తుంది ఈ బి అంటే adjoint A by det A చేస్తే వచ్చేదే బి మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఐ అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రావాలి, అంటే ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ రావాలి. రైట్. These two formulae are purely for 2 by 2 matrices. If A equal to a 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D, then adjoint A formula D minus B minus C A. Directly you can write this formula to find adjoint A. For 2 by 2, for 3 by 3, find minor matrix, lateral cofactor matrix, and transpose of cofactor matrix. It gives adjoint matrix. That is all for 3 by 3 matrices. This formula is purely for 2 by 2 matrix. Now, if A equal to A, B, C, D, 2 by 2 matrix, A inverse equal to inverse of A, 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. This formula is for 2 by 2 matrix. As I said in the above, what is A inverse? A inverse is adjoint A by det A. See here, 1 by, what is AD minus BC? AD minus BC is det A of 2 by 2 matrix. Det A of 2 by 2 matrix. What is this D minus B minus CA? D minus B minus CA. This is adjoint. So this is nothing but adjoint matrix. What I said in the above, A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A, the same. Adjoint A by det A. We use this in a simpler manner for 2 by 2 matrices, whereas for 3 by 3 matrices we use adjoint A by det A to find inverse of a matrix. Right.